5 best websites to earn money online. I want to give you the 5 best websites to earn money online hourly. The work from home job 2026. 5 best sites. Number 1, Upwork. On Upwork, you can find a freelance projects in writing, designing, marketing, and many other things. The more quicker you work, or the more faster you work, the more money you make. So number 2, it's Fiverr. Fiverr offer short services, and these services normally start from $5. Number 3 is peopleperhour. The PPH, yes. You get hired for an hour or monthly. If you have a UK based or US based clients, the greater the scale, the higher the pay. We have remotasks common here in the country. Sometimes remotasks somehow works differently from these other jobs. And the number 5 that I think you should consider, and this highly paying job is the most high paying job. When you freelance, you can offer to work hourly or fix projects globally. You can choose to work hourly or fix the projects globally. And as I've said, the greater the skill, the higher the income. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, share,